Jamaican Shore Fishing here, guys. Big up yourselves. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're pushing out this morning to see if we can pick up some content for you guys. The weather was kind of iffy this morning because it was scattered shower or whatever the case. But I was waiting till the sunlight came up a little bit, guys, to actually where I can see what the water really looks like. And the water is glass this morning. Glass, guys. Cast on the glass, I say. You know what I mean? I kind of learned that one from Cavi, though. Big up yourself, Cavi. Watch your videos all the time. Strictly lure fishing this morning, guys. Kind of a little bit lighter and easier for me to travel. The water looks exquisitely good, guys. Wow. Extremely good, guys. Extremely pretty water this morning. Wow, look at that. Oh, look at this. Westerly bound. And trying to get myself down the line to see what I can pick up for you guys this morning. To see if I can actually pick up a nice size jack again this morning, because this was around the time I picked that last jack up and he was moving around pretty good. So what we're doing, guys, I'll probably hit back up the same spot that I did last time. I don't know, I'm kind of iffy about that because I went there in the night the other night to try my jigs out and that was not working out too well. So what I'm going to do is just try my jig out down there in the daytime. I might pick up a jack, because I picked up a jack the last time on the jig up at the other spot. So we're going to go down here on the piers where the water is real deep and I'm not getting that crash by waves and stuff like that. That I can actually see what's going on in the water. So pushing out for an hour or two, guys, not much, because we are outside of the bite time. It is the minor bite time now because the fish are biting from 1 to 3. So let's see what's up, guys, what we can get and what we can go home with today. Last week I didn't really go home with nothing, so let's see what's up. I think it was Wednesday, Ash Wednesday, guys. But anyways, we're here, guys, pushing out as usual. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Bap. Come on, Jamaican Shore Fishing here, guys. Another day, another adventure. Fix my light rod. And we out this morning. We're about to put on another show today, guys. That's what's up.
Let's get the show on the road. Let's see what we can pick up this morning, guys. On the road I had this morning. Yeah, nice little walk down to our spot, guys. You hear the water? Let's see what's up. Balance rod, guys. Not front heavy, but you can balance it pretty well.
Oh, guys, here we go, guys. Bam. Look at that. I got my friend down there. They're diving today. Ew, they're casting line. Ew. They're casting line this morning, guys. Aye, aye there. Hey, diver, the water looks kind of rough today, man. Hey, you want to see water? I'm up here right now. Glass. Clean. I don't understand how down here so dirty, so. I mean, I said down here so supposed to better. Wow, look at that. Hey, you know something I say, up here water clean. Yo, if you come up here right now, there's not a ripple in that water. That's why I feel down here clean and dry come down here. So it's like when I look on the water, I'm saying, alright, well, me I go down here so. Because down here so the water is deeper. And then me have some new jig where I roll from the other day. So vertical jig, mash up jackfish and barra, man. Mash them up with that. And I brought this rod the other day as I repair it last night. Put one new tip on it. Let me see what I can pick up now, man, up on the jig now.
Let the camera now. Whatever camera for now.
Alright, for my YouTube channel. You know I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Jamaican Shore Fishing. Yeah. So basically, I seen two people walking down here behind me a while ago. Huh? No, it wasn't me and them. These new jigs that I'm going to try today. I mean, I tried them. I caught a fish on it already. They're called vertical jigs. Feel the weight on it. Watch your hook. Hooks are extremely sharp. Feel the weight? Yeah, man. It sink fast, man. So when you drop a dot, me just go some vertical. The hook them at the bottom, you know. Hook them at the top. So I'm going to hook up in a yaso now. I'll send them out. So, alright, guys. My 7-foot rod is now a 6-foot 4-inch rod. Yeah, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Out here like that, peoples. Trying to pick up something today. Nothing yet. Water, calm down now though. Right, did you pick up it, man? Where you run go? No fear hook. No fear hook along. Where you run go? Yo! Look at that. Why you lead your van, Panny? Where am I go? Hey, one day I use my lip grip tool and try grab him, you see. He go so whap and grab the tool and frighten like a yard, right? That's why, you know? And terrible sitting when they ready, you know, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, iron sometimes. Yeah, my brother, you need them though.
You like them with them big?
Yeah, when them big. I don't like them little, full of bone.
I like them when them big. Them big now, you know, so I get the wool from me to what's that.
Yeah, yeah. Where I do? You want to take them off? Yeah. Hold on, I'm getting plans. Battery low on this one. Who that?
I beat the fish on the field, so.
Good one. See that?
Put him back in our water.
Look at that. See, we would have helped you, but you want to bite people. Why he bite you, you know? They grab, you know? Hold on, hold on.
Put him close on me.
I'm a twitch bait I put on, you know. A long time I don't use them, but I catch one long job on Wednesday. Look how this swim. Look at watch it now. Watch it now. See that swim? Watch it. I'm gonna show you how this swim. Brother, watch this. Good man. So when we bring him in, I give this motion like this. I use the tip and give it a motion. Watch. When you see it in the water now, right, yo. Yeah, man. Come on, boy. Jamaican shore fishing, barra. Yeah.
Just like that.
Just like that. Yo, yo. Yes, I. Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, man. Catch him this morning. Tell us that's how lure work. That's how lure fishing work. That's why I use wire lead because of them. You see, because I grab him, go grab you on the back hook, catch him, you know. Yeah, man. Let's get him off of there. Ah. Let's get him.
That orange fish, that orange thing where you use, no?
It's a lure. See? The treble hook now is such a dangerous hook.
So what is this? What is this one? What is this one?
Something similar, but it's a different kind of lure. They have different kind of lure, you know. You have twitch bait lure, deep diving lure. You have different kind of lures. So, Mr. Barra, Jada, my daughter loves eating these. Where you run for? No fish out here catch. Alright? So, alright, mom's later here. Alright. Mr. Barra. Yeah, man. Making sure fishing people.